Hi, I'm John, and today I'm going to show you in Enterprise Architect 15.2 how to change the relationship of trace when you have a trace line to a verify relationship. It's in the stereotype. It wasn't exactly easy for me to find, and I couldn't find documentation on it, so I figured I'd make a quick video to share it, and hopefully it helps somebody. And so if we go in here, we open up our model. This is for a home automation system. It's for a class I'm doing. We're going to make a test case that is, this is going to be SysML 1.5. The test cases are activities with the stereotype of test case. And then I'm going to do cross-site scripting attack. Okay. And then I'm going to open up one of my activities. I have one of these activity diagrams for cybersecurity, and I'm going to pull this in here as a link. The issue that I was having when I would do this before, I found out how to change this type, is I'd come over here and you only have these types. You do a trace. I looked in the toolbox. I couldn't find any other relationship, any other relationships I wanted anyways. It was all traces and dependencies. So I went in here. If you just go to properties, you can open up the properties, and over on the right, there's the stereotype. What we're changing is the stereotype. So anything you have checked is going to apply. And so we'll click trace. I don't want it to be a EA UML trace. I want it to be a SysML 1.5 verify relationship. So that's in SysML profile at the bottom, verify, and okay, and that changes it. If you want to, you can go over here to the right. There's the properties. You can click on that. I'll pin this for now. And there it is, stereotype. You can change that. You can change the direction. This is now saying the test case is verifying that this requirement, the API cross-site scripting protection, is there. It's making sure that this is verified. So that's the relationship between the test case and the requirement. I hope this helped. If it did, like the video, subscribe if you want more. I'm going to be doing more on Enterprise Architect in the next few weeks. So hopefully this helps you. Thanks.